you can have Bali vibes in a jiffy by coming to this beautiful property which is just 15 kilometers before Karjat and just off Mumbai Pune Old Highway, which avoids lot of traffic of Karjat and Lonavala, and you're in a paradise. So guys, I am going to give you this private villa tour. ये बहुत बड़ा spacious villa है, as you can see, and you literally get Bali style vibes, which is just like in near Mumbai itself. And let me tell you that this place has like 3 living dining spaces. Okay, यहाँ पे sliding doors है. It also has blending indoors and outdoors. So this is a 3,200 square feet contemporary ecological villa which is on a 5-acre orchid. Okay, बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं है. It's like without chaos, no neighbors noise at all. So as you can see, this is the dining area. वहाँ पे और एक dining area है. Okay, this is the living space. There is one more space over here, and this is by far my favorite one of the aesthetic rooms. यहाँ पे आके आप बस chill कर सकते हो. You can just sit here, read a book, or maybe just bask in nature. So yeah, and it's also so amazing for your Instagram feed. Like every corner of it gives you the aesthetic for your Instagram feed. And now I'll be giving you a tour of the other rooms as well. Give you a tour of one of the bedrooms. So as you can see, again it's like a very aesthetic cozy bedroom. यहाँ पे 3 bedrooms, deluxe rooms है with AC, and there is 1 couple room with cooler. There are 4.5 washrooms as well, and the washrooms are also pretty aesthetic. Like aesthetic is the vocabulary of this villa. Okay, and now by far the most impressive part is this. This is like a 300 square feet meditation area. So you can do exercises, you can do any of your physical routine. If nothing, you can just sit, and यहाँ पे sunlight are here. You can just be in your own element. And the best part about this as well is like it has like lot of trees around, so you literally feel the motivation, to exercise or to do some stretching yoga. And there is an attached bathroom over here. बाथरूम भी काफ़ी बड़ा है, and again it has light and all which is coming from here. So this is their second room, and यहाँ पे भी AC है. Okay, there are almost 3 beds over here, which is again quite spacious for people to accommodate. तो यहाँ पे 11 beds है. Okay, to their third room. Very well, I must say, but not really, because pink is a universal color now of every gender. So if you get there is a place to go outside also from here. So the speciality of this villa is like there are blending indoors and outdoors, and that makes it quite unique as well. So I really love the vibe, because यहाँ पे, especially for girls, I think it can be like very Instagram aesthetic. This is the 4th room, and यहाँ पे 2 beds हैं. Okay, so it's enough for 2 people accommodating. It has that minty green vibe, and यहाँ से you can see the dining area. So हर corner से हर corner visible है. Okay, in this villa. So yeah, that's about it. And let me take you to just like the outside space of the villa. I'm going to show you the pool area of it. As you can see, there's like greenery everywhere, and it is without any chaos. So guys, that's the pool area. Okay, this is for adults. There are 3 baby pool sections as well. It is 20 feet by 50 feet, and it is 6 to 7 feet deep max. ये वाला जो प्लांट है ना, यहाँ पे जो लेवेंडर फ्लावर्स है, दिस इज बाय फार माय मोस्ट फेवरेट, बिकॉज ये बहुत प्यारा लगता है, स्पेशली व्हेन देयर इज सनसेट. एंड या यहाँ पे स्विंग है, तो आप हाइट ही कर सकते हो यहाँ पे. ओके, अगर आप सुन भी रहे हो तो यू कांट हियर एनी नॉइज. इट इज दैट सेरीन एंड पीसफुल. So it is basically a very well insulated house, and there's like lush green water bodies everywhere.
So there are four meal options. This was our lunch. So you have veg as well as non-veg over here. And then you have private chef as well as BBQ facility. ये हमारा दूसरे दिन का morning breakfast था. तो you can just choose at your
So इसका
convenience.
outdoor space इतना बढ़िया है, you would feel like just chilling out and having BBQ or something. So there is also a BBQ facility available for outdoor dining. There's a private chef. There are 4 meal options, and also there is the microwave facility available. So you can just, preheat the food whenever you want and have it at your convenience. So this is the open area of the villa. तो जैसे ही आप बाहर आएंगे, हर जगह ग्रीनरी है, कोई आवाज़ नहीं है, पूरा नेचर के सेरेनिटी में है ये. And I think we can really have those Pinteresty kind of pictures, basked in nature over here. Like, I'm a person who loves forest, anything which is green. Okay, so this is the entire part of the villa. Each and every corner over here. So it has cooler microclimate due to especially well insulated house. यहाँ पे water bodies हैं, lush greenery है. So in case if you are planning to come over here, which definitely you should because it's so near to Mumbai, you can contact the number which is given below, and there are special rates for weekdays and long-term bookings.